Rejuran is a polynucleotide, which is a chain of DNA molecules which is extracted from Korean salmon. It is a very safe and effective regenerative medicine product. It helps to improve your skin quality, your tissue quality, and at the same time not keep making you look unnatural. You're still you after you do Rejuran, but you have better skin, you have more glowing skin, more healthy skin. And that is all due to what we call DOT technology. So as we get older, the fibroblasts start to get older also, and they're the factory of the collagen. Polynucleotides, when it's injected into the skin, helps to act as a scaffold. And through this scaffold structure can help to stimulate the fibroblasts to make more collagen inside the skin, and that will help to regenerate the skin. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, meaning it helps to reduce inflammation. And also, because it's extracted from Korean salmon, we know that the AGTC, or the nucleotide ratio, is very similar to the DNA that is in our DNA. So it's very biocompatible. So just as our name implies, Pharma Research is the name of our company. Research is the basis of all of our products. We have done much study internally within our company, and we have done a lot of research in collaboration with the Korean government, Korean institutions of science, to find just the right formulation to make this safe and effective. Traveling around the world, going to different conferences, and also seeing how different doctors practice aesthetic medicine, I do feel there is a changing paradigm nowadays. And that trend is a bit more towards regenerative medicine. Originally, a lot of aesthetic medicine was based on doing procedures like botulinum toxin or dermal fillers. However, these treatments, when not properly used, can cause unnatural results and also serious side effects in some cases. Nowadays, patients and doctors alike are starting to look for treatments that are more safe. There are very few products on the market right now in clinics available to doctors that can really claim the safety record that we have. Rejuran has been expanding globally very quickly nowadays. Of course, our nearest neighbors are China and Japan. Also in Australia, Southeast Asia countries also have Rejuran for a few years now. Central Asia, countries like Kazakhstan, and now we're expanding into Europe. So of course, right now our main product is Rejuran, which is the polynucleotide, but we're expanding on this also with future products in this line, and also other regenerative products are in the research and development stage, even into areas like energy-based devices for aesthetic medicine are also in the pipeline. One more interesting area that we're also going into is pet pharmaceuticals. Even in our field of aesthetic medicine, we use the word anti-aging very commonly. It's sort of like a hot word that we use. I think the question that we have to ask is not only how long can we live, that's important too, but what is the quality of our life that we're going to live during our lifetime. And when it comes to that, maybe another word we need to think about is well-aging. Just like it's well-being, also we need to age well. And that's where Rejuran can help us too, because it helps to regenerate the skin, regenerate the tissues. It helps to heal a lot of the inflammation that is causing the aging in our tissues. And this can help us to age slower and also to age better and to also have a bit higher quality of life during our lifetime.